Once upon a time, on a small farm, there lived a little chicken named Charlie. Charlie loved sunny days. He loved scratching the ground, chasing butterflies, and playing with his friends. But there was one thing Charlie did not like at all: rain. Whenever dark clouds appeared in the sky, Charlie would run straight into the chicken coop. "I don't like the rain," he would say. "It's cold, wet, and scary." One afternoon, the sky turned gray. The wind began to blow, and the first raindrops started to fall. Charlie quickly ran inside the coop. As he peeked through the window, he noticed something surprising. The ducks were happily splashing in puddles. The flowers seemed brighter than ever. The grass sparkled with tiny drops of water. Everything looked beautiful. Slowly, Charlie opened the coop door. He stepped outside. One tiny raindrop landed on his head. Then another. And another. Charlie waited, but nothing bad happened. In fact, the rain felt cool and refreshing. Soon, he was running through the puddles and laughing with his friends. When the rain finally stopped, a beautiful rainbow appeared across the sky. Charlie looked up and smiled. "If I had stayed inside," he said, "I would have missed all of this." From that day on, Charlie was no longer afraid of the rain. He learned that sometimes, the things we fear are not as scary as they seem. And sometimes, wonderful surprises are waiting just outside our comfort zone. The end.